Hi, this is a new video of School of Digital Construction where we are going to learn how to use filters in Revit. We are going to use a simple project with some walls to indicate how to use the filters. First of all, we have to manage to create some project parameters. In this button, we can create a new parameter. We are going to add a parameter called status, and from text type under construction group to use in the walls. We are indicating here that we are going to use a parameter called status in the walls. So we click into OK. Then we can choose a wall, and here we have a status parameter where we can indicate some text. An example, build. We can have 1, 2, 3 build walls, and then we can select another ones that those are on building process. This information is just marked in all walls, but we want to have a visualization of this status. So we can do a filter into BB options, where we can choose filters and add a new filter. This filter is going to override the visualization of the walls according to the parameter we have just created. We are going to create a new filter. We have here all the filters available, but here we can choose a new one. This filter is going to be called build walls. Build walls is going to select all walls that have this rule. The rule is that the status is equal to build. So we have just create a filter called build walls that affect two walls and have the in status the parameter build. We're going to click into OK. We are going to add this to this chart, and here we are going to override lines with an example red color, and also the border with a red with some diagonals, and also I'm going to give them some transparency. I click in OK, and all walls that are with the parameter build is going to change. Also, we can add a new filter. In this case, we are going to duplicate the previous filter with this button, and we are going to rename this and change the parameter. We click into OK. We select this as we can add this to this chart, and then we override the visualization with some parameters, with some modifications to the visualization of the walls. Then all walls that have the status building process are going to change to this view. There we have. Also, if we add the walls, these are not override by the parameters, but if we indicate an example build to this wall, check that the visualization are changing, and also this one could be building process. I can select this from the list, and we have the change in this. Also, we can generate a view where we can schedule a quantity. We can have a schedule of walls that we can call walls by status, and we can select the status as the main parameter, also type and area, where we can sort this chart, this schedule, by status with a footer, ordering by type with grand totals. In formatting, we can change area to calculate totals. And we have a new chart. This chart are indicating the amount of area of the walls according to its status, no? And also we can generate a sheet, and in this case I'm going to add another size of paper where I can take the 3D view. This view is a little bit big, so I'm going to use 125. We can add the schedule. We can have the schedule in the sheet, and also we can add a layout. In the layout we can indicate that we have two different type of walls. First one, I'm going to edit a pattern. I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to put build red, and I can change the fill pattern and indicate the color. I can duplicate this and edit the second one. I'm going to building process green, and I can indicate this. Also I need a text where we can put build and building process. This layout we can select our sheet, and we can add the layout to indicate the status of our walls. This is what we can do with filters. We have to choose a parameter and indicate an overriding condition for the graphics, and using this for sheets or for schedules. I hope you have learned something today, and please subscribe to our channel for new and further information about Revit.